This is a cute basket that I made using newspaper bag yarn. Hello crafters, this is needlepointers.com and I would like to show you how to turn newspaper bag sleeves into yarn, which is also called Plarn. Place the newspaper bag sleeve on a flat surface and flatten it out. Fold the bag in half lengthwise. Fold it a second time lengthwise. Starting at the end that was secured, cut off a little piece and now start cutting about 1-inch strips. This creates little loops. After cutting a lot of loops, it's time to join them together. Take one loop and place the second loop underneath like so. Put it through and pull. Again, I'm taking this loop, I'm putting it under the loop, then over the top and through. Let me do one more for you. Take it under, and then this part will go through there and pull. Continue adding more loops, then roll the yarn into a ball. It's that simple. This yarn can be used in crocheting, knitting, and weaving projects. Did you find this video informative? Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we post new videos on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is a great source for craft and hobby information. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for a lot of crochet tutorials and free projects.